In order to reset your PS5 DualSense controller, you want to turn it over to the back. And as you see me doing here, on the back, there's a tiny little space where you can put a paper clip or a small pin into that. And you are not going to hear anything. You're not going to hear a sound. It's not going to vibrate. But as you can see me doing here, you push the pin inside the back of the controller, and you should see it disconnect on your PS5 like I've done here. And the easiest thing to do is to turn the console off and then plug in the DualSense with a USB-C cable. But the other way of doing this is to grab the controller, and you want to go ahead and push the share button as well as the middle PlayStation button together really quickly. And then by doing that, it'll make it reconnect as you see that I'm doing here. And then the controller has been reset. So again, two ways of doing it: plugging it in via a USB-C cable, doing it that way, or the other way is to just tap, as you see me doing here, the controller with the left button or option button here, plus the PlayStation button, whatever you want to call it. And that should quickly reconnect it or put it into connect mode if it's close to the PS5 and it's been restarted. So that's it. That's how you reset your PS5 DualSense controller. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.